Welcome to Niagara Falls, one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world.
Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first adventure, planning a trip to Niagara Falls requires careful consideration.
Let's delve into the comprehensive guide on how to make the most of your Niagara Falls tours. First things first, how do you get to Niagara Falls?
Whether you're coming from Toronto, Montreal, or Ottawa, there are several convenient options.
Driving is a popular choice, with the Queen Elizabeth Way offering a direct route from Toronto. If you prefer public transportation, buses and trains provide regular service from major Canadian cities.
For those flying in, Niagara Falls International Airport in New York offers direct flights from many Canadian cities, with Toronto Pearson International Airport being another option. Now, let's talk about the best times to visit Niagara Falls. Each season offers its own unique experiences. Summer, from June to August, is peak season, with warm temperatures and a plethora of outdoor activities.
Spring and fall offer milder weather and smaller crowds, perfect for enjoying the colorful foliage and local wineries. Winter transforms the falls into a winter wonderland, with the Winter Festival of Lights adding a magical touch. To make the most of your visit, consider joining organized tours. From boat cruises to helicopter rides, these tours offer unique perspectives of the falls and ensure you don't miss out on any of the must-see attractions. Finally, no trip to Niagara Falls is complete without sampling the local cuisine.
From fine dining with a view of the falls to casual eateries serving up Canadian favorites, there's something to satisfy every palate. So, whether you're marveling at the falls from a boat, indulging in a candlelight dinner, or simply taking in the natural beauty around you, Niagara Falls promises an unforgettable experience for all who visit. Don't forget to subscribe to ToNiagara for more travel tips and adventures.
See you next time.